Students at a Carlsbad high school could have been exposed to whooping cough. 10 News reporter Natay Holmes shows us what parents need to look out for if their child becomes ill.
Parents received a memo late last week notifying them that some students tested positive for pertussis. I reached out to Carlsbad High School and they tell me so far they've had 2 confirmed cases.
Pertussis is probably the most contagious bacterial disease.
Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is spread through the air. In school settings like at Carlsbad High School, it is likely other students can get sick.
For every one person who has it, when they expose people who have not had it or been immunized, they can infect up to 16 or 17 other people.
Dr. Eric McDonald with the county's Health and Human Services Department says symptoms of a normal cold are runny nose, low-grade fever, and a cough, a sign that someone may have whooping cough.
It's the persistence of the cough that should be the #1 clue.
So far in San Diego County this year, there have been over 70 confirmed cases of pertussis.
The number of cases in San Diego are higher than the rest of California, particularly for infants under the age of 4 months.
McDonald says though San Diego's numbers are still higher than other counties in California, the trend of pertussis is getting lower.
The number of school clusters that we're seeing this year are much lower than last year, and certainly much lower than in 2014 when we had many clusters in schools.
Natay Holmes, 10 News.
If your child has a cough that lasts almost 2 weeks, they should be treated by a physician. Dr. Eric McDonald recommends everyone get a DTaP shot to lower the risk of getting pertussis, especially pregnant women in their 3rd trimester.